is a common starting point. I mean, it's commonly referred to as a dashboard of some sort, right? And you literally, the metaphor of a dashboard is still a really rich, good metaphor. Today we've modified the term a little bit. We call them mashboards, because not only can you extract data from traditional relational sources and display them in some very clever visual format, but you commonly can combine other web-based data, whether it's geographic information or social media feeds or news feeds or something, to make a really complete, contextually relevant dashboard. This is really vital to making great business decisions today. So at our customers we see all over the globe, they are usually starting with this dashboard or mashboard-like view that allows them to drill into different data and make decisions quickly or more accurately or both.
You mentioned a keyword that I'm focusing on. I'm writing a book about contextual software. Mm-hmm. How is business changing now in 2012? What are you seeing happening? And drill in a little bit more on context, because I think that's interesting.
Context is everything in decision making. For decades we've had lots of data, not enough information, and today it's not only not enough information, but it's not enough context. So the principles of being able to create an information view that is contextually relevant for anybody's job, and what might be relevant to you and your role in the decisions you have to make is different than anybody else. But you should be able to create a contextually relevant dashboard, a set of reports and analytic views that bring together the information, not too much, not too little, to allow you to make the right decision at the right time. It is all about context. And for you, what constitutes context is going to be different than someone else. So we sought about creating a tool that would allow you to create in a dashboard-like environment that was contextually important to your role.
That's really awesome. People who have never built a business dashboard, what do they need to know to get started? You know?
Well, I mean, being a relative expert in your data domain is important, and usually knowledge workers have some pretty deep understanding of the data that they could access to make their jobs more successful. And so just knowing a lot about what the data helps, because you know how to format it, you know how you'd like to visualize it, you know how often it has to be refreshed or how often it has to be presented to you so you can make good decisions. You know what other data, if it was combined with that, would make a more powerful context. And so it's really just knowledge about your role and about the kind of data. That's the most important thing. When we sit down with customers, that's what we want to know about. Accessing the data nowadays, formatting it, structuring it in a way that's visually appealing is not difficult. It's really more about the domain expertise of the individual and thinking about what would be important to make a better contextually relevant experience emerge.
Do you have any examples of companies that are doing it really well and what they're learning from their business data?
Absolutely. 60 to 70% of our business is actually embeddable BI, meaning other people that take other companies that take our software and they build us into their software and then they resell us as their reporting and analytics tool. Because we're so modern, Java-based, open web standards, we become commonly used as this embedded environment. Now, these are the very companies that recognize that the data that's being generated by their applications is just as valuable as their applications. We call them data-driven applications. And so by liberating that data and exposing it in reports and analytic views, they're literally delivering more value to their end customers. And they're using a tool that they didn't have to build, they're just able to license it from Jaspersoft. So we have customers who are creating, for instance, we have a customer, it's a retail ERP system for retail establishments. Some of the biggest, most well-known retail brands in the United States use this ERP system that's our customer, and our customer then takes Jaspersoft and makes a performance management dashboard that allows every retail customer of theirs to begin with some intelligence about what's going on in the retail franchise. Sales by store, supply chain information, a wide variety of reports that give more control to the people who need to make the decisions about what's going on inside the operation. They have deep data domain knowledge though. Think about it, they know a lot about what's going on in that retail environment, and they're able to package up dashboards and reports that are sort of best practices right out of the box, and then they work with their customers to customize this. It's a brilliant maneuver, and they're in a sense giving a lot more value to their customers by using Jaspersoft as their embedded BI tool. And we have many customers like that in a wide variety of industries.
Wow. Windows 8 is about to come out. How is that going to change your business?
Yeah, fortunately for us, the operating system layer is not